Okay. Good afternoon, children. Today we will start the next topic and the last topic of the chapter, that is chapter 6, test and measurement in sports, that is part 5, and Rickley and Jones test, that is test for senior citizen fitness test. In this test, the first test is chair stand test. The purpose of the chair stand test is to test length and endurance of an person. Then equipment. A chair with a straight back without armrest, and it is placed against a wall to prevent it moving. Then required is a stopwatch or a timer. Instruction to the participants. Sit in the middle of the chair, then place each hand on the opposite shoulder crossed at the wrist. Then place your feet flat on the floor. Next, keep your back straight and keep your arms against your chest. Then, on go, rise to a full standing position and then sit back down again. Repeat this for 30 seconds. Procedure. On go, begin in timing. Do not continue if you feel the person may fall during the test. Third point, count the number of times the person comes to a full standing position in 30 seconds and record it. Then, if the person is over halfway to a standing position, when 30 seconds have elapsed, count it as a stand. Lastly, the person must use his or her arms to stand, then stop the test and record 0 for the number. Now you can see the table given below. Now children, our next test for Rickley Jones Senior Citizen Test is, that is arm curl bicep test. Purpose of this test is to measure upper body strength and endurance. Equipments required are 4 pounds dumbbell or weight for women or 8 pound dumbbell weight for men. A chair without the armrest and stopwatch. Next comes the procedure of the test. The aim of the test is to do as many arm curls as possible in 30 seconds. This test is conducted on the stronger or dominant arm side. The person sits on the chair holding the dumbbell or weight and arm in vertically downward position beside chair. Then brace the upper arm against the body so that only the lower arm is moving. Then curl the arm up through a full range of motion, that is flexion of arm, and afterwards arm down, extension of arm. Repeat this action as many times as possible within 30 seconds. Then the number of complete curl actions, that is up and down, considered as 1, is the score. Now look at the chart given below and the photo how to do the test. The third test is sit and reach flexibility test. Purpose of this test is to measure the lower body flexibility. Equipments that are required are ruler, that is length scale, straight back chair, approximately 45 cm high. Now come the procedure of the test. The person sits on the edge of the chair, on foot on floor, whereas other leg is extended forward with the knee straight, heel on the floor and ankle bent at 90 degrees. one hand on the top of other. Then person is instructed to inhale and then exhale and reach towards the toes by bending at the hip. Keep the back straight and head up. Avoid jerky actions or quick movement and never stretch to the point of pain. Fourth point is keep the knees straight and hold the reach for 2 seconds. Then fifth one, the distance between toes and fingertips is measured in inches. Sixth point, if fingertips touch the toes, the score is 0. If it does not touch the toes, then distance between toes and finger tips is negative. If it overlaps the toes, then the score is positive. Now lastly, perform this test twice and consider the best one. Now down, the chart is given below as well as the photo is also given how to perform the test. Now children, the fourth test of Rickley and Jones test for senior citizen fitness is back scratch test. Purpose of this test is to measure the general range of motion of shoulder. Equipments required: a ruler, that is length scale. Procedure of the test. Test is done in standing position. One hand is placed behind the head over the shoulder and reaches as far as possible down the middle of the back, whereas palm touching the body and fingers directed down. Place the other hand behind the back palm, facing outward, the fingers upward, and reach up as far as possible, attempting to touch or overlap the middle fingers of both hands. An assistant is required to direct the person so that fingers are aligned to measure the distance between the tips of middle fingers. If fingertips touches each other, then score is 0. If they do not touch, then measure the distance between fingertips as positive score. If it overlaps, then measure the distance as negative score. Try this test twice and consider the best one. Stop the test if the person experiences any pain. You see the chart given below, table given below, and also the picture how to do the test. Now children, the fifth test is 8 feet up and go test. Purpose of this test is to design to measure speed, agility. Agility is coordinative ability, and balance while moving. Equipments required are stopwatch, straight back chair, approximately 45 cm high. Then cone markers, measuring tape, safe and clean area. Procedure of the test. Place the chair against wall and mark a cone 8 feet away in front of chair. Clear the path between the chair and the marker. Then the person sits on the chair, hands resting on knees and feet flat on floor. On the command go, timing starts and the person is instructed to walk, no running is allowed, around the cone as quickly as possible and sit down on the chair. Score is counted as time taken to perform this test. 2 trials are conducted and the lowest time is in seconds is considered for scoring. Now look at the table given below as well as the picture to do the test. Okay children, the last test of Wrigley and Jones test for senior citizen fitness is 6-minute walk test. The purpose of this test is used to measure aerobic fitness. Equipments required are measuring tape to mark track distance, stopwatch, chairs, position for resting. Procedure of test. Firstly, the walking track is laid in regular area, that is 45 into 5 meters square, with cones marking the area at regular interval. The aim of the test is to walk as quickly as possible for 6 minutes to cover maximum distance. The person set their own pace. They can take rest if desired. Measure the distance covered by the person in 6 minutes. Walk test in meters. Now see the chart given below as well as the picture which is given for the test.